Here's the beginning of part 2. I think the camera problems is the camera person. Sorry. Now the next step, you can clean up your edges if you want. Now that I've done that, take your binding. You're going to bring it over, and the main objective, let me see if I can pick this up a little bit, is to cover the seam lines. So when you bring this over, it will cover them, and you put a clip on it. And you do the entire thing like that. So you're just bringing it over and putting a clip. Go down a little further, and I'm pulling it forward as I do it. Some people will iron it down, which you can do that also if you want to. Now, I find, and I've already done it on this one, that if I take a pinking shears and I clip this extra in the corner, I'll show you on this one here. So I pull away the binding fabric because I don't want to cut it, and I cut my fabric. Let's turn it this way so we can see it better. Just around that corner right there. Then when I go to make my corner here, which will be folded over like this corner will become nicer. Now that's the way I do it. If you want to get it sharper, just bend it in some more. It'll come to that corner right there. That's just a hint, and it's the way I do it because I end up with a lot of bulk in my corners. Otherwise, I will go, you can either pin or use clips. I'm going to go ahead and use clips. I've used both, so does it really make a difference, clips or pins? When I get it totally done clipped, I bring it back and show it to you. Now for this, I'm doing the top thread in gray and I'm doing the bottom in red because it will come out on the red, and I'm going to keep it on the gray here on the front side. And I'm just going to do a straight stitch, nothing fancy. I'll take my clips out before I approach it. Okay, and lock it in place. And after I get halfway down this front here, we'll take a look at it. Now I'm not trying to catch anything on the back side. I'm strictly making sure the front stays on. And the back, as you can tell, has a red, so it blends right on in. And hopefully I can keep my line straight. I just won't go too fast. And that's all you do. You go all the way around it like that. I get to the corner, I'll come back and show you that. Oops. As you can see, I'm trying to get as close as I can. I try to make sure that the corners line up. I fold this one down first, and then I pull this one, the one coming straight ahead, over on it to make it look like that. Okay, here's my corner. I wanted you to see it. I have the left fabric folded under the right hand side. So I have my left folded. I go ahead and I fold it first. Then I fold my right on top of it to get that corner where I've pinned it for you to see. It just takes a little bit of practice. And you don't even have to do it like that. You could just do it, fold it from the left and then just fold it over to the right, and it doesn't have to come at an angle like that. You can do it any way you want. You can even do a curve if you don't want to do corners. I have completed the runner. There's the front part, which is all in red. And you can see the quilting on it. There's the quilting. It looks really, really nice. Go. That's it for this video. I hope everybody liked it, learned something from it. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, click on the little bell so you can get notices. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye, everybody.